My name is Haley. I'm sorry I couldn't make it. I'm currently at a Tech Girls conference. I'm here to tell you that our planet is dying, that humanity is going to abolish humanity. I'm speaking up for the Earth and my generation and generations to come. I'm not an expert, but I am passionate. And I know enough to tell you that if we do not do something now, then you will be the cause of the death of your grandchild, and you will be the cause of the apocalypse. Global warming has been happening for years, and we can't pretend it isn't, because the ice caps are melting and extreme weather is reality. That is fact, and everyone should know it. These tragic events, typhoons, tornadoes, hurricanes, and even droughts, are caused by global warming, so let's get real about climate change. It is the number one threat to humanity, and climate change is caused by pollution, developmental harm, reproductive harm, asthma attack, lung cancer, coughing and wheezing, shortness of breath, cardiovascular harm, lung tissue redness, swelling, and even death. More than 2 million people are dying each year from the effects of pollution, and we are the cause of it. We drive cars that burn fossil fuels and produce pollutants such as hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, and particulate matter. These pollutants are toxic to the environment. We need to change now. When I used to live in LA, California, the air quality was so bad that it actually has one of the most polluted atmospheres in the United States. You could barely see the skyline due to the smog. It was very disgusting and unsanitary, but sadly I got used to it. My great-grandfather who lived with us died of lung cancer due to pollution. So me and my mom and my sister eventually had to move to Texas because we didn't want the smog to start affecting our health. So I left my brother and the rest of my family behind, so I never get to see them now. I suffered because I did not see my family, and the death of my great-grandfather weighed on me because it could have been prevented. It does not have to be this way. We can fix this so other people don't have to go through the pain of losing their family. So let's make a difference and make everyday Earth Day. Thank you.
Sorry I cannot be here today. I am also at a Tech Girls conference. Hello, my name is Sapphire, and I'm here to talk about the solutions to stop global warming. Although other people may not think it is real, it very much is. Day by day, the Earth gets more and more hot due to the factories releasing smoke, cars releasing gas, and greenhouse gases polluting the air. Electric cars are more efficient and energy independent. The U.S. spends $300 billion on importing foreign oil. On a daily basis, the U.S. makes $4 billion. That may not seem like a lot, but how many times does the U.S. import foreign oil? 10.1 million barrels per day. The electric car grid is capable of supporting 150 million electric vehicles. They are better than gas alternatives. Tesla Model S outsells Mercedes S-Class and has the top score for Consumer Reports testing for independent confirmation. Studies show that in some cases, certain plug-in electric vehicles that pull electricity from gas-fired plants produce up to 60% fewer emissions than a conventional car with an internal combustion engine. Although cars are expensive, it is cost-effective in the long run. Drivers save $5,000 in fuel costs over 5 years, and electric cars are cheaper to insure. Due to pollution globally, more than 3 million people die prematurely each year from prolonged exposure to air pollution, and according to the world, by 2050, it could be 6.6 million premature deaths each year. With electric cars, the battery of an electric car uses 28 metric tons of emissions, compared to the gasoline cars that produces 57 metric tons. That's 29 more metric tons being produced. The battery can be recycled or reused and has reduced global emissions by 50%. Also, greenhouse gas levels are critical. California has been one of the worst offenders in emissions since cars were invented, causing breathing problems in children. This is why we took initiative to call Austin Energy to see what they were doing to promote the use of electric cars. With electric cars, they use DC fast charging, which takes 30 minutes to charge. It has no tailpipe to produce gas, which means no pollution, which also means net zero. Austin has 216 charging stations with 500 ports and will give you $1,500 towards buying an electric car. In order to make that change, we need to make every day Earth Day.
Make every day Earth Day.